Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've opened the workbook and selected the chart. Now start by confirming the source range and table format so Excel reads your data correctly. Once done, go to Chart Design and choose Change Chart Type to pick a new base shape, column, line, or combo. Make sure your chosen type matches your data pattern. For example, use a line for trends and columns for discrete totals. This first move sets the direction for later tweaks, so pick a chart family that fits your message. Next, refine how the data maps to the visual. You select data to add, remove, or reorder series and change which column drives the categories. This controls what appears on the X and Y axes. If categories look reversed, use switch row/column. Then open the Format pane to set axis bounds, adjust number formats, and convert individual series to secondary axes or different types, useful in combo charts. These steps let you sculpt the chart shape to reflect the story. Finish by polishing labels, legend placement, colors, and marker styles so the chart reads clearly at a glance. You can right-click a series to change just that series' chart type, creating combos like bars with a line overlay. Once satisfied, save the chart as a template or copy it to other sheets for consistency. Troubleshooting. If the chart stops updating, check the data range, table connections, and filters. Refresh or reassign the range to restore live updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.